Are you looking for the best dash cam? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ESP28. Simple mass model of the dash cam with a large 4-inch display and 2 cameras, for shooting inside the cabin. With the function of picture-in-picture. You can optionally choose a gadget with an optional third rear view camera and a parking monitor module. Such a recording will come in handy. With the help of a special 2-lens camera, you can record not only on the road but also inside the cabin. Thus, traveling with the whole family can be made even more exciting, because every moment of your trip will be recorded on video. The G sensor allows you to react to a blow or any damage to your car, even if it is in a parking lot. This dash cam can be purchased in 3 versions with or without memory cards of 8, 16, 32 GB. That turns the purchase into a handy designer with dozens of options and prices. Number 2. Xiaomi 70Mi Smart. The most functional dash cam from Xiaomi. This model is the most advanced in the range of Xiaomi dash cam. It is equipped with a 2-inch screen, 5-megapixel Sony IMX335 sensor, a bright lens, f/1.8. the best microphone and a 2-core processor HiSilicon Hi3556. But the design decision not to bother much. It was watched by Korean flagship Thinkware F800. Here the same bevel trapeze of the body and a protruding around the lens. But that's just appearance. The 70Mi Cam Pro supports encoding technology that can improve video compression efficiency. The dash cam gives you a good quality picture, and it sees even more than we can see with our own eyes. The angle of view is 140 degrees. The screen is not a touch screen. Navigation buttons are on the bottom panel. There is a voice control function, automatic fixation when motion is detected. There is a G sensor, but there's no built-in GPS module. However, it can be purchased on Aliexpress separately, as well as the GPS plus GPRS module. Number 3. Xiaomi 70Mi dash cam with a better price quality ratio. Even the skeptics will not be able to get past this dash cam from Xiaomi, released under the Mijia sub-brand. The dash cam features compact size, humane price and an impressive array of features. It's controlled through an app on your smartphone. Over a year with more sales, the product has received thousands of positive reviews on AliExpress. The device is equipped with a swivel bracket to adjust the tilt of the camera, backlighting the power button. But the best thing the dash cam has is a high-quality lens that captures video with an angle of 130 degrees, as well as a sensor that allows you to receive video in 1080p. There is even voice support. As in expensive dash cam, the gadget is small, easy to hide behind a mirror. It is fixed to the glass with the help of a platform, but you can't shoot it with one-hand movement. That's the only downside to this dash cam. Number 4. GenSight Rear View Mirror. Dash cam GenSight records video in full HD, has the widest viewing angle, 10-inch touch screen, which is combined with the mirror, shock sensor, night vision, connects the rear camera and supports memory cards. 1080p video recording, viewing angle 170 degrees, frame rate 30 fps, 10 touch screen with mirror lens of 6 lenses with image stabilization loop, video recording, G sensor, large aperture, night vision, the ability to connect a rear camera, purchased separately, I recommend, which removes blind spots and works as a parking sensor. Parking mode automatically registers everything that happens to the car. Support TF memory cards up to 128 GB, not lower than class 10. Number 5. EAC08. Best price for a rear view mirror dash cam. Relatively simple dash cam, without GPS and additional smart features, which does a good job on the main task, to record the situation on video. Recording quality, 1080p, 30 fps, with a viewing angle of 170 degrees. The display is on the right side of the mirror and has a diagonal of 4.3 inches. It is controlled by a set of buttons under the mirror. The device supports a second camera, included in the set if desired by the buyer. The additional camera is waterproof and can be installed from the outside. The chipset allows recording from 2 cameras to separate files simultaneously. All necessary mounts are present in the set. The cords in the set are long enough. Seller with Aliexpress sends with the registrar 2 GB flash drive. In reviews write that the recording quality is not ideal. There is interpolation, to full HD does not reach. Otherwise, there are no claims.